Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will have a basic knowledge on the Power BI charts, like how we create the chart in the Power BI, and we will have the basic knowledge on this one. So like the agenda of this tutorial is like we will export the data from the Excel, and after getting the data, we will generate the chart and we will have the basic features of that chart. So these all are the things we are going to see. So in the last tutorial we have seen like how we download this Power BI from this Microsoft website and how we install it and how the interface look like for that Power BI. So I recommend you please go to the part 2 and download the like this Power BI and look into the interface of that like Power BI desktop application. So let's go to that Power BI desktop application which we installed into the previous tutorial. So this interface is look like this. So what we are going to do, we are going to export the data from this Excel, and like we will see like one chart, like we will show that particular data into this column chart, and we will see like different type of features or the properties of that particular chart and how we implement all those property into the like particular chart. So let's what we do, get the data from this Excel, and like so I have kept those in my system. So this is the basically this is the financial sample which I have downloaded from the from the Google, which we are going to work with this financial sample. So let's select this one, and once I will select, it will take some time to load the data. So like a few seconds, so the data is loaded, like, but currently we can't see anything here. So like now what we can see, like after getting that like basically loading the data, we can see here like that particular Excel file is how many sheet is contained. It contain like financial and the sheet, and now it depend on us like which sheet we want. Like at a time we want multiple sheet or one, but like my data is exist into this financial sheet, so I'm going to load it. And here you can see like two type of button is there, like load and the transform data. So basically if there is any error into that particular data of this sheet, so what we can do, like we can, like here we can clean the data. Like this transform data is help us to making the clear data, make this data as a clean. So we will going to talk about this transform data into the coming tutorial. So as per this tutorial, what we will do, let's load this full data. So once I will load this data, so what will happen, it will load on this Power BI. So it will take a few seconds to load it, the particular data. So let's wait for that time. So after after loading the data, we can see into this field section like how many there are number of the column, and all those number of the column we can see here, like it is populating here. So that's the thing now, but currently we are not looking any visualization of the data which top management want to see. So now that particular data we have to show here into the visualization format. So for that purpose, now these different type of the charts come. So what I'm going to take this column chart, and when I will see on this chart, so basically we can just drag it and we can make it. Now basically here it's a simple, only it's a sample of that particular chart. There is no there is no relation of this financial Excel sheet data. That relation we have to make. So for that purpose, these all the property of this chart comes, like on which axis what you want to show, any legend you want to show, what the value you want to show. So all these things comes here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take like on the x axis show me the month number. So basically now it's loading, and instead of month number, if I want to show the month name also, it will show the month name as well. And I'm get rid of this month number, I will show the month name, so it will be clear for us. And the next thing, like on the axis it is showing the month name, and the values, like on which basis you want to show the value. So what I will show, I will show this sell price. So we can put it here. Now we can see our data, like here it is showing that graph to us, based on this, like sales price by month name. So we can see, like on the x axis we can see the month name, and here in the y axis we can see the sales price. After doing that, like here this is the field, we can see like format, like if we want to give some format to this particular chart, we can give, like click here, and we can see like something you want to give the format, we can give from this x axis. So like something I want to change into the x axis, like what I want to show, I want to see these month name into the bigger format, because currently we are not able to see it properly. So what we can do, we can increase the format like this, and we will see like this format will be the like this is increased here, we can see. So this is the way, like we can give the format, and instead of this like black color, if we want to show into some other color, we can show this data into the different color. So these are the format we can give. And like if we want to show the labels of these things, like currently like when it was off, we are not able to see the data labels, but when I on it, we can see the label for all, or these the like all over the chart we can see here. And like currently if it is not showing properly, what we can do, we from like here we can make it like bigger, and now it is showing properly like how we want. And even if we want to change this name, like sales price by name, so this also we can change from here. Like let's minimize it, just click on this outside, if you will click, it will minimize. So let's minimize and see like how other things we can change for this the chart. So like if we want to make any changes from like this y axis and all this title, so all these things you can do the changes from this feature, this format tab. And from here, like if we want to change the color, like background color, if we want to change, and anything if we want to change, we can make it like. And if you want to go, let's go to the report, and here from like we come back to the old position. So from here, like we can make any changes, like we can make any changes to this particular chart which we are seeing here. And there is another thing, like if you want to search something all over these chart and the pages, we can search and we can make the filter here. So we can do the minimize also, like if you want to show in the like big, so in that format we can see. So this is all about like how we can generate the chart from the Excel data into the Power BI desktop. In the coming tutorial, we will see like different type of the chart available into the Power BI desktop application. So as per this is the only things. So if you have any doubt or question, please comment. Thank you.